Hi everybody, Rose here. Thanks for joining me today. And look what I have. I purchased some Mixed Media Girl paints. They're pre-mixed, there's no fuss. And you can just paint when if you don't feel like you have the time to mix paints. So I got the her cool line sample. These are just 4 ounces. And I got I think it's called Peacock sample. So yeah, is this fun? So the colors I'm gonna use today, I'll just put these aside. I'm going with the Pacific Blue, Fairy Spit, which is a metallic, that's pretty. Royal Purple, Gold, and Powder Blue. So those are the 5 colors I'm going to use. I'm going to layer up a cup, and this holds 10 ounces, which is plenty. This is 10 by 20, and I'm going to do a traveling ring pour.
way to the mill, proud and all out. But where are you now? Misunderstood, said you would help the ones that you could. No glimpse of doubt. But where are you now?
it is wet. It needed a little white in there for contrast, and I didn't like the combing. So, but I love the colors. Beautiful paint. I kept this, nothing's getting wasted. I kept the drips. Look at that color from the drips, and it has a shimmer because of the golden fairy spit. But I have no doubt it will dry exactly the way it looks wet. There's even some cells happening. But yep, beautiful paint. You know, if you don't feel like, if you want to paint but you don't feel like mixing paints up, because that takes a long time sometimes, it's a great option. So check her out. Mixed Media Girl has paint. So I'll show this to you dry, but thanks for joining me, everyone. Peace.